Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Attach your flag to the flagpole. To use a sleeve style system, slide the flag onto the pole and attach to a flag tie located at the pole end, or create a sleeve by wrapping and snapping the flag onto the pole. To use a side style system, attach the flag to the side with flag ties or stationary collars with split rings.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When a strong gust of wind occurs, it forces the flag to wrap over the pole. Because it's such a common problem, some flagpoles, like these, are designed specifically to keep the flag straight. They feature a spinning pole shaft or rings that turn automatically during strong winds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to attach a flag to a flagpole. Using cable ties, for flags, banners with grommets, outdoor or indoor use with pole. Simply place a cable tie through the grommet and secure onto the flagpole. Snap hooks, tabs, easy mount, Velcro.
Take our lead.
We recommend using snap hooks like the one seen to the left in most flag hanging scenarios involving grommets. This is because the hook's incredibly easy to clip right onto your grommets. Then, all you have to do is attach the loop end of the clip to your flagpole using rope, hook and loop touch fasteners, or zip ties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.